Sennheiser Tour Guide System. The Sennheiser Tour Guide System is a user-friendly wireless system that helps guides communicate clearly with groups or individuals. It's easy to set up and use, with features like automatic channel syncing and comfortable stethoset receivers that turn on automatically when worn. This system is great for noisy environments like factories, where visitors still need to hear the guide clearly. It offers features like 32 channels for multiple tour groups, microphone and line inputs for flexibility, backlit display with channel, battery, and audio level information, LED lights for peak warnings, mute status, and low battery. If you're looking for a reliable tour guide system, the Sennheiser system is a good option. The seller can provide rental pricing and additional equipment like microphones and headsets. TranslationIndia is India's largest and most reliable service provider for real-time and simultaneous interpretation services for 2 decades. For more detail, call 9811200494. Email ram@translationindia.com. Website https://translationindia.com. Please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.